Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial about how to make easy conversation using Plotagon story. Let's check it out. First step, make a conversation script. Next, install Plotagon Story application on Play Store. After that, open the application and choose background. Open Plotagon application. Wait until the process is complete. Next, click Create Video. And then, click the first box. Choose a scene where the conversation is happen. Try the free one. For example, I choose watercolor. And then create characters. To create character, please click No Actor box. Next, you can choose characters from the existing one or you can create your own character. At this time, I'm gonna use the existing one. So you can rename the existing character. Like this. You can also modify the existing character. Just click the pencil icon. And then you can change the character's hair. And then the character's face shape, accessories, shirt, pants, and etc. The next step is set character's position. Now we choose who will speak first. For example, Anna will speak first, and then we set Anna's position. Okay, Anna will stand at the elevator, and then the second actor is Tom, and then we set Tom's position. Tom will stand in front of watercolor. Next, it's time to make animated conversation. To click the speech bubble, and then click Anna's name, and then we can set Anna's expressions by click the box at the right side of Anna's name. For example, Anna is waving, so just choose waving. Okay. And then record your voice because you are as Anna. Just click the record icon and then start recording your voice. Tom, what's up? Okay, and then click checklist icon. Okay, please check it. Tom, what's up? Okay, good. And then next, we are going to create conversation for Tom. Just click the speech bubble again. And then please choose Tom character. And then Tom's expressions. Waving also. You can write down the dialogue here. Hi, Anna. Nothing much. I am just hanging out. What's up with you? Okay, and then enter. Okay. You can preview your dialog here. Tom, what's up?
Hi Anna, nothing much. I'm just hanging out. What's up with you?
Okay, done. Just do the same for the remaining conversation. Next, it's time to preview the result and save your video. You can preview the result by clicking the play button at the top left corner. Tom, what's up?
Hi Anna, nothing much. I'm just hanging out. What's up with you?
It's a good day. I'm feeling fine.
How is your sister?
Oh, fine. Not much has changed. Okay, after you preview, the next step is save your project. You can click save icon at the top right corner and then click render video, export with subtitles or export without subtitles. I'm going to export it with subtitles. Wait until the process is done. When rendering process is done, there will be a notification about where to save your video. So, you can save your video to gallery or you can post it directly on YouTube. But this time, I'm gonna save my video to gallery. Okay, just type your video name. And then click save. And then click done. Click your video on file manager on video section. Well, that's all for now and thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.